Hey there, I'm Amber, founder and owner of Amber's Accounting and Bookkeeping. Around here, I wear a lot of different hats. From sales, team management, to project work, yep, I do it all. Basically, I make sure both our clients and our team feel taken care of. Now for the slightly boring but true stuff. I was born and raised on the northwest side of Chicago, thus my accent. You'd think that would make us Cubs fans, but nope. Dad took us down to the south side for White Sox games. I also got my first job at age 12, and I haven't stopped working since. In college, I crushed my accounting and finance classes, but actually majored in international business and German. Yes, it's random, but it's helpful and useful. All those business classes are actually worth it. A year after graduation, I launched a professional organizing business in Chicago. We grew to a team of 8, organizing everything from downtown high-rises to suburban garages for 20 years. Then in 2016, I made the leap and launched Amber's Accounting and Bookkeeping and traded closets and basements for balance sheets and bank feeds. Turns out organizing homes and organizing books aren't that much different. I love structure, I love systems, and there's nothing more satisfying to me than cleaning up a total mess inside of QuickBooks and watching business owners' eyes light up when they actually can see their numbers, profit margins, and are able to make good decisions. So if your numbers are a disaster or they just need some love, this stuff lights me up.